Welcome to the Quizzers. Are you ready for the toughest decisions of your life? Then let's play Would You Rather Hardest Choices Ever. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you rather get lemon in your eye or cut your finger? Would you rather only remember the worst moments from your life or forget all the good ones? Would you rather bite your tongue or burst your lip? Would you rather poop your pants or pee your pants? Would you rather kiss Donald Trump or give this video a thumbs up? Would you rather sit on a durian toilet or a lava toilet? Would you rather be young and broke or old and rich? Would you rather have slow internet or get stuck at every red light? Would you rather have no Netflix ever or no YouTube ever? Would you rather take cold showers forever or eat cold meals forever? Would you rather take $1,000 or flip a coin for $2,000? Would you rather walk on fire or walk on glass? Would you rather comment, "I love God," or comment, "I'm not loyal to God"? Would you rather lose all of your hair forever or grow 10 inches every day? Would you rather have all of your messages become public or all of your photos become public? Would you rather live in a penthouse or live in a castle? Would you rather only speak in curse words or never speak again? Would you rather have time travel power or the power to freeze time? Would you rather have a high IQ or a high EQ? Would you rather find a snake in your toilet or a spider in your bed? Would you rather have a mansion on the beach or a mansion in the mountains? Would you rather have no more social media or no more video games? Would you rather fart in front of your entire class or fart in front of your crush? Would you rather be in Monster Jam or go bungee jumping? Would you rather break your nose or lose your front teeth? Would you rather win $1 million or spend 20 minutes with Jesus? Would you rather never eat a Kit Kat again or never eat donuts again? Would you rather use someone else's toothbrush or someone else's underwear? Would you rather be stuck in a world with no other humans or in a crowded room forever? Would you rather be sad on your birthday or comment your birthday? Would you rather sacrifice your love to save the world or sacrifice the world to save your love? Would you rather take $10 for a good act or take $1,000 for a bad one? Would you rather live without love or live without electronics? Would you rather eat raw fish or eat a raw egg? Would you rather play PC gaming or console gaming? Would you rather save a starving child or a starving dog? Would you rather eat only raw food or only burnt food? Would you rather be stuck on a sinking ship alone or on a deserted island with no supplies? Would you rather be locked in your home forever or wake up in a jungle with wild animals? Would you rather delete your Facebook account or delete your TikTok account? Would you rather turn anything to gold or have a genie lamp? Would you rather eat the spiciest French fries or never eat French fries again? Would you rather have unlimited money but no time to spend it, or have unlimited time but no money? Would you rather sell your house or sell your pet? Would you rather go back to the past or go into the future? Would you rather have a lot of money but no friends, or have a lot of friends but little money? Would you rather live in constant winter or in constant summer? Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.